Ever wondered what kind of creatures lurk in the deepest parts of the ocean, where sunlight never reaches? The deep sea is one of the most mysterious and unexplored places on Earth, home to bizarre and otherworldly creatures that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. Today, we're diving into the world of the top 9 deep-sea animals you probably didn't know existed. These strange creatures have evolved incredible adaptations to survive in extreme conditions, where darkness and crushing pressure are the norm. Curious to meet these deep-sea dwellers? Stick around until the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our exciting animal content. 1. Deep-sea dragonfish. Stimmer. The deep-sea dragonfish is a fearsome predator living over 6,500 feet below the ocean's surface. It has a jaw full of needle-like teeth, perfect for trapping prey in the dark. What's truly unique is its ability to produce light through bioluminescence, thanks to special organs called photophores that run along its body. This helps the dragonfish lure prey closer in the pitch-black environment. But its adaptations go even further. Some species of dragonfish can emit infrared light, making it one of the few animals capable of producing light that is invisible to most other deep-sea creatures. This invisible light acts as a secret spotlight, allowing the dragonfish to hunt without being detected. The ability to use both bioluminescence for camouflage and infrared light for hunting makes it a top predator in its dark world. 2. Vampire squid. Vampiroteuthis infernalis. With a name that literally translates to vampire squid from hell, the vampire squid might sound terrifying, but it's only about a foot long. It lives in the oxygen minimum zone of the ocean, between 2,000 and 3,000 feet deep, where oxygen levels are so low that few predators can survive. The vampire squid's blood has a special ability to bind oxygen efficiently, allowing it to thrive in these harsh conditions. Its appearance is equally striking, with large blue eyes that help it see in the darkness and webbing between its arms that gives it a cloak-like appearance. When threatened, it can turn itself inside out, showing the spines on the underside of its arms to deter predators. It can also produce bioluminescent light displays, releasing glowing mucus to confuse predators and make its escape. 3. Peanut worm. Echiura. The peanut worm, or fat innkeeper worm, may not look particularly remarkable at first glance, but it plays a vital role in the deep-sea ecosystem. Living in burrows in the seabed, it uses its proboscis to sweep up organic particles from the surrounding mud, feeding on detritus and other small particles. The worm's burrows often become shared shelters for other marine creatures, such as crabs and small fish, hence the nickname innkeeper. Interestingly, peanut worms can retract their bodies into a smaller shape, resembling a peanut when disturbed, hence the name. Despite its unusual appearance, this worm helps recycle nutrients and contributes to the health of the seafloor ecosystem. 4. Fong Tooth. Anoplogaster cornuta. The Fong Tooth gets its name from its intimidating needle-like teeth, which are proportionally the largest of any fish in the ocean. Living at depths of up to 16,400 feet, the Fong Tooth can survive in near-freezing temperatures and complete darkness. To catch prey, the Fong Tooth relies on its heightened sense of movement and vibration, using its lateral line, a sensory organ common in fish, to detect disturbances in the water. Despite its fearsome appearance, the Fong Tooth is a small fish, typically reaching only 6 to 8 inches in length. Its oversized teeth require special pockets in its head to accommodate them when its mouth is closed. This adaptation ensures that the Fong Tooth can still close its mouth completely and avoid injury from its own sharp teeth. 5. Red Lip Batfish. Oncocephalus darwini. The red lip batfish is famous for its bright red lips, which stand out in the deep, dark waters near the Galapagos Islands. It has evolved modified pectoral fins, which it uses to walk along the seafloor rather than swim. This adaptation allows the batfish to approach prey stealthily or hide among rocks and corals. Its unique lips are believed to be used for attracting mates, and the batfish employs a hunting technique involving a small lure-like structure on its head to attract prey. When unsuspecting fish or crustaceans come near, the batfish strikes, making it a clever ambush predator despite its comical appearance. 6. Giant Isopod. Bathynomus giganteus. The giant isopod is one of the largest crustaceans in the deep sea, measuring up to 16 inches in length. It lives in the deep ocean, often over 2,000 feet down, where it scavenges the remains of dead animals, such as whales, fish, and squid. The giant isopod's tough exoskeleton helps protect it from predators, and it can go for long periods without food, thanks to its ability to consume large meals when they are available. Giant isopods are known for their energy-efficient lifestyle. When food is scarce, they enter a state of low metabolism, which allows them to survive months, or even years, without eating. Their scavenging habits are essential for cleaning up the ocean floor, making them an important part of the deep-sea ecosystem. 7. Blobfish. Cycroliths marsitis. The blobfish is often called the world's ugliest animal, but that's mainly due to how it looks when brought to the surface. In its natural habitat, at depths of up to 4,000 feet, the blobfish has a gelatinous body structure that allows it to withstand the immense pressure. The high pressure keeps the blobfish's appearance more normal, compared to how it looks in low-pressure environments. In the deep sea, the blobfish is an ambush predator, floating just above the seafloor and waiting for prey to drift by. Its body has a density slightly less than that of water, allowing it to float without expending much energy. This adaptation is crucial in an environment where energy conservation can mean the difference between survival and starvation. 8. Pelican Eel. Europharynx pelecanoids. The pelican eel is a strange-looking creature with a huge, expandable mouth that can open wide enough to swallow prey much larger than its own body. It lives at extreme depths and uses its bioluminescent tail to lure prey closer, a unique adaptation among deep-sea eels. When it senses food nearby, the pelican eel can open its mouth to an enormous size, creating a vacuum effect that sucks in prey. Though it has a disproportionately large mouth, the pelican eel's body is thin and serpentine, allowing it to conserve energy. This adaptation is essential for surviving in deep-sea conditions, where food is often hard to come by. Its ability to consume prey of various sizes increases its chances of finding a meal. 9. Hagfish Miini. The hagfish, or slime eel, is notorious for its ability to produce massive amounts of sticky slime as a defense mechanism. When attacked, the hagfish excretes slime that can clog the gills of predators, forcing them to retreat. Additionally, this slime can expand rapidly in water, making it difficult for attackers to get a hold of the hagfish. Hagfish are primarily scavengers, feeding on dead and dying fish that sink to the ocean floor. Their flexible bodies allow them to tie themselves into knots, which they use to scrape off excess slime and to gain leverage when tearing into carcasses. The hagfish's unique adaptations make it a fascinating and resilient deep-sea survivor. These deep-sea creatures show that life can thrive even in the most extreme and unforgiving environments. From the crushing depths of the ocean, these animals display fascinating adaptations that remind us of how little we still know about the underwater world. Curious about other masters of survival? Don't miss our next video, Masters of Disguise: 9 animals that use camouflage to survive. Discover how animals use camouflage and mimicry to trick predators and stay hidden. Enjoyed the video? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories about the animal kingdom. See you next time!